Hello, this is Miss Lee. I'm just posting a little tutorial on how to get onto Google Classroom. So if you go to google.com, you're going to make sure that you go to the upper right-hand corner and press these little dots. And when you click on the dots, you see all these different apps, and you're going to choose Classroom. And once you've clicked on Classroom, you see if you're in Miss Gardner's homeroom, you'll have science, you'll have reading, you'll have math. So I just want to show you really quick how to go through all of these. So if you click on your reading Google Classroom, this says Lee Reading. If you're in Gardner's homeroom, it'll say Gardner Reading. And there's a little note here. Please check your classwork tab at the top every day for your assignments. And this is where the classwork is. So you need to click on that. And this week says September 7th through 11th. And there's a day 1, work from home. And then there's iReady Reading, work from home, day 3. So if you click on an assignment, it would just be these 2 assignments because we're in the week of September 7th through 11th. Click here and it tells you exactly what to do. You log into Wonders by clicking the link below. Use your 3-picture password to log in, and then you're going to click on Read. You're going to read the Dreamcatcher and answer all the questions about the story on each page by clicking on the lines to type in your answer. And those pages are 36 through 41. So if you click here, it takes your child straight to the reading series that we have, and they just find, if they're in Mrs. Gardner's homeroom, they click the balloon. If they're in Mrs. Lee's homeroom, they click the soccer ball. So once they click on it, they will just choose their name, and then they put in their password. It's just 3 pictures, and I don't know, I'm just going to put something in. The login appears. If the student is logged in, the screen will look like this, and they're going to pick the button that says Read, and it has a picture of a book on it. So click the Read button. Read. And the story for the week is The Dreamcatcher. So they will click here on The Dreamcatcher. And we did a few of these in class together. So that the student will just read the question and answer the question. Like right here it says, underline why Peter is upset. Well, I'm able to use this tool right here to underline. I'm going to click underline. And right here in the story it says that Peter looked up after he says that he's upset. I have to give a presentation where I talk about family traditions. I know that we have a lot of beliefs and customs. Can you remind me of one? So Peter's not sure what his customs are, so he's upset about that. And you can underline that with this tool here. And then it says, what does he ask Nokomis? If you click on the lines, you can say, typing in this box right here, he asks, Nokomis, that's the name of his grandmother. He asks her if she can remind him of their customs and beliefs. And after I type in my answer, I'm just going to push the add button, and that will put my answer here inside of my virtual notebook. So if you go to the next page, the child can push this button right here and it will read to them. It will even read the questions to them. So you need to go from page 37 and they need to go all the way through page 41 answering these questions on the side. And that's their reading homework for the week, along with iReady Reading and iReady Math. They also need to check their math classroom and the classwork inside of math. So if you click here, it says to complete 30 minutes of iReady Reading. So if they click in here, this link, it'll take them straight to clever.com. They will log in as a student, and they will log in with Google, and it will take them to their Clever page where they can select a cube that says iReady. I don't know if it's going to let me do this because I clicked as a student. Yeah, it let me. So this is what the iReady icon looks like. This is the Wonders icon that they need to click on for reading. But the iReady has reading and math. So the reading is an open book, and I can't remember what the icon for math is. I think it's a numbers. But anyway, this is where they do their 30 minutes of iReady reading or math. So if you have any questions on how to get your child into any of the classrooms, you can just send Miss Gardner or myself a message. This is the Science Google Classroom page. So if they click here, it says please check your classroom tab or classwork. So you click on classwork, and day 1 work from home assignment is to watch this video and draw a picture of a plant that you see and label as many parts as you know. After you complete an assignment, whether it's for reading, math, science, you need to click on the view assignment, and there's going to be a button in the corner that says turn in or mark as done. I can't remember exactly which one it says, but it'll say something like that. After you complete it, you can upload a picture. I see that Jen and Cecilia have both uploaded a picture of their work. That's awesome. They've turned it in. Good job, kiddos. That's how you can show us teachers that you have completed your work. You do not have to take a picture, but it is recommended if you have pencil paper to upload a picture. However, if it's just your iReady working online, you can just click submit that you've done it, and Miss Gardner and I will check your minutes. So if you have any more questions, just give Miss Gardner or myself a text or a call, and we are happy to help you all. I hope this helps. You all have a great day tomorrow and a great weekend. We'll see you later. Bye.